What if I told you, your job is already obsolete? Even if you don't know it yet. Sounds scary, right? But wait. What if this is actually the biggest opportunity of your life? I is writing emails. I is designing logos. I is coding apps. I is making videos. I is even replacing managers. So here's the real question. If AI does everything, how will you make money? And more importantly, who gets rich in an AI world? The workers? Or the owners? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see money very differently. And you'll understand where wealth is really moving. Most people won't like this truth, but the smart ones will use it. Quick favor before we start. Watch till the end. The final idea is what flipped everything for me. Let's begin. The AI reality check: every major shift creates winners and losers. The internet did it. Smartphones did it. Social media did it. AI is just faster. Much faster. People think AI will steal jobs. That's not fully true. AI steals tasks. Not ambition. Not creativity. Not ownership. But routine work? Gone. Predictable work? Gone. Repetitive thinking? Gone. So if you trade time for money, you're exposed. WHO actually wins in an AI world? Let me ask you something. Who made money during the gold rush? The miners? Or the people selling shovels? AI is the new gold rush. And most people are digging. Long hours. Low leverage. High stress. Meanwhile, a small group owns the tools. Owns the platforms. Owns the distribution. That's where wealth flows. Shift 1 from worker to leverage thinker. The old rule was simple. Work harder. Get paid more. That rule is broken. The new rule? Use leverage. AI is leverage. Code is leverage. Media is leverage. Capital is leverage. One person can now do the work of 10. Or 100. Or 1,000. How people will actually generate wealth? Let's get practical. No hype. No theory. First path. Owning AI-powered businesses. You don't need to build AI. You just need to apply it. Agencies. Automation services. Content systems. Lead generation. AI is the engine. You are the driver. Example that opens eyes. Imagine this. One person. Running a content business. AI writes scripts. AI edits videos. AI schedules posts. AI analyzes performance. Human decides direction. Human owns the brand. That's leverage. If this is opening your mind, don't miss what's coming next. I break down AI wealth plays like this regularly. Make sure you're subscribed. And turn on notifications. Because speed matters now. Shift to own audience, not skills. Skills get replaced. Audiences don't. If you own attention, you own opportunity. YouTube channels. Newsletters. Communities. Personal brands. AI helps you scale. But you remain the signal. Why creators will dominate? AI can generate content. But it can't replace trust. People follow people. Not algorithms. The creator economy doesn't die. It evolves. Faster production. Lower costs. Higher reach. Shift 3 from labor to ownership. Employees get paid once. Owners get paid repeatedly. royalties, subscriptions, digital products, SaaS, platforms, equity. AI makes ownership accessible, not exclusive. The mindset most people miss: AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. That's the real competition. So the question isn't fear. It's adaptation. Are you learning? Or waiting? Because waiting is expensive now. How to position yourself right now. Step 1. Learn how AI works. Not technically. Strategically. Step 2. Pair AI with a problem. Businesses pay for solutions, not tools. Step 3. Build something small. Scale fast. The big truth about wealth in AI era: wealth won't come from effort. It will come from positioning, from timing, from leverage. AI compresses time and rewards clarity. Future snapshot: fewer traditional jobs, more solo operators, more digital empires, fewer gatekeepers, more creators, more builders. Warning most people ignore: AI makes average invisible. You either stand out or disappear. That's uncomfortable, but powerful. The future isn't about working less. It's about working differently. Thinking like an owner. Acting like a strategist. Using AI as a multiplier, not a crutch. If this changed how you see money, you'll want what's coming next. I'm breaking down real AI income plays, step by step. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell. The next upload connects all the dots. And trust me, you don't want to miss that one. AI is not the enemy. Ignorance is. Tools don't decide outcomes. People do. This shift is happening now. Not later. Not someday. Right now. Position yourself early. Learn fast. Build smart. Own something. Because the future rewards owners, not spectators. The rules change. Did you? AI is here. Wealth is moving. Choose your side. Builders, owners, leaders, or observers. The choice is yours. Learn. Adapt. Execute. Repeat. This is the AI era. And it's just beginning.